I'm Bill Huseby, President and owner of SIGMADESIGN. In the next few minutes, I want to give you an idea of what SIGMADESIGN is all about. What we're going to do is we're going to follow the design process, and you'll see from that what we're capable of doing, and hopefully we'll be able to help you. So, come on. So SIGMADESIGN is a product design and engineering firm, and we try to help you out anywhere from the beginning concept all the way through production. So where that starts with any product is with industrial design. We also are very closely tied to the engineering side. It's a very collaborative environment. So as a result, what gets delivered out of the ID group is something that's manufacturable and meets the customer's requirements. One of the neat things about SIGMADESIGN is we're more than willing to fit into your own process.
We have learned to try to fit the engineer to the on-site project, in that we want somebody that is capable, certainly for the work involved, but also has a personality such that they're willing to work with a new team and take on new challenges and fit into that client's environment and be successful on the project.
From industrial design, we move to engineering. This is where all the detailing happens. At SIGMADESIGN, we've got mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, software. We can take care of all the detailing right here.
Engineering is generally a group effort. Not most of the projects involve the various disciplines, so there'll be electrical engineering, software engineering, the industrial design aspect, and certainly all of us mechanical engineers. I work with any and all of the other engineers and the other engineering disciplines to try and complete our tasks, solve our problems.
One of the things that we can do in the detailing section is also a lot of analysis. What Gray's working on over here is some CFD, or computational fluid dynamics. See the heat transfer happening, the model that we created. In the mechanical world, we can use a variety of CAD packages, whatever your needs are. Everything from SolidWorks, NX, Creo, and Pro-E. From engineering, we move on to fabrication. That's the model shop. The heart and soul of the model shop is really the talented model makers and machinists that work here. Some of the neat stuff, I really like this area. It's one of the places I really like coming to because the stuff here gets turned into reality.
I think the design process is hugely improved and made more efficient by the model shop.
One of the beauties of having the model shop in such close proximity to the engineers is that you get a synergy, you get a collaboration that happens, and it really makes for a better process, a better product, and a much quicker turnaround on it also.
Knowledge that you're going to have that thing in your hands and be able to touch it and measure it and see if it works within an hour or whatever, that changes the process, and that you don't spend a lot of time noodling on it and thinking about it. It's more of an iterative process with an actual part.
From fabrication, we move on to the assembly and test area. Whether we're putting together a single prototype or a production run of thousands, it happens all right here.
One single prototype unit to anything from 50, 100, even in the thousands of short-run production units. Anything from mechanical, electrical, PCB. We've seen everything you can imagine, from light mechanical assembly to complex electronics and pneumatics, and integrating all those systems together.
When we're able to collaborate and utilize all the different disciplines in one roof, it results in shorter timelines, faster time to market, lower cost of ownership, and it results in a smoother transition from concept all the way to manufacturing.
Not only is collaboration extremely important here, but it also extends to our Singapore office. The conference room here is one of the areas that we can use for that video conferencing, just trying to make the world a little bit smaller. Hopefully you have a better idea of what SIGMADESIGN is all about and what we mean by concept through production. Thanks a lot.